Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video our goal is to upload this file into Google Colab, then upload the file using Python to Google Colab, read the file line by line, then split each line into name, age, result, then print the people who passed the test like Ahmed, Omar, Khalid, and Yusuf, etc. And doing this to automate this process instead of going manually through them one by one. So I had already prepared this line of code. If you can use it later. I'm gonna explain it to you. So first of all, we need to, as we said here, we need to bring the file upload tool from Google Colab. So we use this line of code to upload the function. We're gonna see it later. It's enable us to upload the file to our Google Colab environment. Then we need to let the user to upload the file using this line of code. Then we open the file, which is InputFile.txt. That's the name of it. You need to be cautious about this. So we use this line of code to open that file in specific. And we pass the argument R for reading, to enable the Python to read the file. We can use W for writing, R plus for writing and reading. So in your case, you might change this line of code, whatever file you are trying to open in your device. Nevertheless, I'm gonna keep this file in the description so you could download it and practice on it. So, and we will use this line for line in input file to read the file line by line, to read the file line by line. Then we will split it, to split every line into separate pieces. Now we would use this line of code if data is 2 equal p, which is mean if Python starts reading by 0. So this is 0. This is in place 0, this is in place 1, and this is in place 2. So if the data in place 2 equal p, which is mean it is p passed, then print that line for me. Then close the file. So let's run the code. Here we had the function that enable us to upload the file, and which is come from this line of code. So we would choose the file, we select our file, input file, and we would open it. And voila, Python, he would now run the code. He said we would open the file for the line input file. Then he would split it. He split it line by line. Then he'd check the third pieces of that line. If it's P, then he printed that line for us. So what he did, he went here, he checked, said, okay, let's split this line. He got it. He said, let's go to the second second piece. Is it P? Yes, then print that line. Once more for this line. Is it P? No, then pass. Is it P? Yes, print. Is it P? Is he passed? No, then pass. And etc. Thank you for watching, and we can do it even in another way. Sometimes here, like if we change the file name, so you need each file. So please let me know in the description if you want me to do it in another way. If we change the file name, you might need each time to change this line of code. We can do another line of code that doesn't matter what's the name of that file. Python will rename it according to the file that you upload, so you don't need each time to go and rename the file by yourself. Then we might even add a line of code that they would say, okay, now count how many people passed the test. Then he would start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, and he would say that's the people who passed the test, and the number of them 4. We can do the same for the people who failed. And what's the powerful about this line of code? It doesn't matter. Here, like we had a bunch of names, 6, 7, 8 names. It doesn't matter now. If you had 1,000 of names, you can still do the same things with these couple line of code, which is mean you can automate a dozen of work just using this line of code. If you want me to explain it line by line for a beginner friendly, Also, please leave a comment in the description and I would go through it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.